Hey everyone, I hope you are doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from PayPal to FanPay. So first thing you need to do is open up your PayPal app and then log in your account. After this, you need to click on this wallet icon, balance icon from the bottom of your screen. Then it will take you to this page. So from here you have to select this option, add banks and cards. After that it will show you these two options, banks and debit and credit cards. So choose banks option. Then from this list simply select your bank account and enter your bank details, and your bank will be linked to your PayPal. Now once you have linked your bank account to your PayPal, you need to transfer money from your PayPal to your bank account. So doing that, what you need to do is just click on your balance. So whatever your balance, just click on that. Then it will show you the similar screen. So as you can see, I have $2 in here my PayPal account that I want to transfer in FanPay. So for that, simply click on this transfer button from the bottom. Then simply select transfer money. Now on the screen you can choose the transfer speed. So if you want to get your money in your bank account in minutes, you can choose first option, or if you can wait 1 to 3 days, you can select this second option. But make sure the first option will cost you 25 cents as a fee. And once you have selected the speed, in two option you have to make sure that you have selected the right bank account that we have linked the earlier, and then simply click on this transfer button at the bottom, and your money will be transferred to your bank account. Now to transfer that money in your FanPay, what you need to do is open your FanPay app, and then you need to click on this add button. After that you need to enter the amount that you want to transfer in your FanPay, and then click on this add money. Now you can simply link that bank debit card in this account or in this FanPay, and use that debit card to add money in your FanPay, or you can also use net banking. So just simply click on this more option, and then loads of bank will available right here. So just simply use your bank account that you have used to transfer money from PayPal and complete the transaction. And once you do that, your money will be transferred from your PayPal to FanPay. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.